Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by establishing what you can and cannot use. Identify the rights each song needs. Mechanical and public performance licenses are common, and secure them before you play anything. Once done, choose verified karaoke providers that handle licensing for you or pick songs in the public domain. Make sure to document permissions. This reduces risk and clarifies costs. If you plan to stream or record, you will need additional sync permissions, so start that process early rather than improvising later. Next, you obtain the specific licenses and verify receipts. Contact performing rights organizations for venue-level coverage if you host public events, and request written sync clearance when you plan to record or stream performances. Once you receive license confirmations, keep copies accessible during events so you can demonstrate compliance if asked. Make sure to reconcile any royalty reporting or fees as required by the license terms. This prevents surprises and keeps your karaoke activities within legal boundaries. Finally, you finalize compliance by organizing documentation and using trusted services. Store license certificates both digitally and physically at the venue, and rely on licensed streaming or karaoke platforms to avoid guesswork. If you created custom backing tracks, register permissions for any sampled material. If something goes wrong, contact the licensor or consult an intellectual property attorney promptly. Early communication often resolves claims faster. Make sure to audit your processes periodically so you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.